Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Excellent Educational Center by Priya Gulati. Today I am going to solve a very important extra question from chapter Quadratic Equation. So understand this question very carefully and please like, share and subscribe my video. Let us come to the question. The question says if the equation bracket 1 plus m square bracket close x square plus 2mcx plus bracket c square minus a square bracket close equals to 0 has equal roots, means this equation has equal roots, prove that c square equals to a square bracket 1 plus m square bracket close. Now let us come to the solution. This is the equation given to you in the question. What is this equation? 1 plus m square x square plus 2mcx plus bracket c square minus a square equals to 0. First of all, you have to understand that in this equation, m and c and a, these are constants. The only variable is x because quadratic equation has only one variable. So in this particular equation, the variable is x and rest all the other alphabets, that is m, c and a, they are constants, right? So this equation is a quadratic equation which is of the form a x square plus b x plus c equals to 0 and it is given that this equation has equal roots. Question में given है this equation has equal roots and you know from nature of roots, when an equation have equal roots, then the discriminant, that is b square minus 4 into a into c is equal to 0. I am using capital alphabets for the discriminant because the small alphabets c, a, etc. they are being used in the, already they have used in the equation. So in order to, so that you don't get confused with these letters and these letters of the formula, I am using capital letters. B square minus 4ac, this is discriminant equals to 0 for equal roots. What next now? I will pick up the values of capital A, B, C's from this quadratic equation. What is A? Coefficient of x square equals to 1 plus m square. What is value of B? Coefficient of x, which is 2mc. What is capital C? The constant term, which is small c square minus a square, right? So put the values of a, b, c in this discriminant b square minus 4ac. So your discriminant will become b square, pick up the value of b from here, 2mc whole square minus 4 into a into c. So I write 4 into 1 plus m square into c square minus a square equals to 0. Now next step, 2mc whole square all the terms will give you 4m square c square minus minus, and these three product of three terms 4 into 1 plus m square into c square minus a square I write as it is equals to 0. Now this is first term minus product of three terms, this as a whole is your second term equals to 0. So what do you see common in this first term and second term? 4. So I take out 4 common, big bracket. What remains from the first term? M square c square minus minus. What remains from the second term? 4 I have taken out. What remains from the second term? 1 plus m square into c square minus a square, bracket close and put a big bracket here, equals to 0. Now this is the product of two terms. 4 into second term is whatever you see inside this big bracket equals to 0. So I bring this 4 on the right side. This big bracket term, all the terms as it is equals to 0. ये आपका big bracket मैंने यहाँ से close कर दिया. So this big bracket terms equals to 0. Bring this 4 on the right side. It will get divided. 0 upon 4 gives you 0. So what next now? M square c square minus c square minus a square into 1 plus m square equals to 0. What next now? You see in the question you are required to find c square is equal to a square equals to 1 plus m square. So what is my purpose here? I will isolate, means I have to separate out c square from this equation, right? So for separating the c square term from this equation, what I will do now, this c square is already in the bracket, so I will take out the c square from the brackets. For that I will have to multiply term by term these two bracket. So what next step? M square c square minus, now these two bracket terms multiply c square from the first term bracket में second bracket as it is, plus this minus minus gives you plus, so I write plus a square multiply the second bracket as it is equals to 0, right? This is simply distributive law I will use now. Now what you see here, in this term c square is there, in this term also c square is there, एंड आई वॉन्ट टू आइसोलेट सी स्क्वायर. सो ये जो दो टर्म्स है इनमें से आई विल टेक आउट सी स्क्वायर कॉमन. वाई आई एम टेकिंग सी स्क्वायर कॉमन? बिकॉज आई हैव लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आई हैव टू ब्रिंग सी स्क्वायर, सो दैट इज वाई आई एम टेकिंग सी स्क्वायर कॉमन. सो फ्रॉम दीज टू टर्म्स, सो वॉट रिमेन्स फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट टर्म? एम स्क्वायर minus minus. What remains from the second term? 1 plus m square minus, outside 1 plus m square you have a minus sign, so if you open the bracket, this 1 plus m square will give you minus 1 minus m square, right children? C square is outside, bracket close. This is a square bracket 1 plus m square equals to 0. Now what next? Now in this bracket m square, this is m square plus sign and this is m square minus sign. So m square minus m square gives you 0, which I can show by cancelling them out. So what remains from here? C square bracket minus 1 bracket close, right? So c square into minus 1 give you minus c square, और ये जो प्लस वाला टर्म है दिस आई एम ब्रिंगिंग एज अ होल ऑन द राइट साइड, सो इट विल बिकम माइनस ए स्क्वायर 1 plus m square, right? Why I am bringing on the right side? Because in the question you are having c square on the left side, so all the terms I bring on the right side except c square, so that is why I'm bringing this second term on the right side. What next? Now negative sign in this term, negative sign in the right hand side term, so when both are negative I can make them positive. So next step I can write them c square equals to a square bracket 1 plus m square. This is what you are required to prove. I hope children you have understood this question. Bye bye.